failure is not real unless you give it that life. Pass this combine, get another combine, pass the other combine, lock the fuck in. Got another coffee for today, second cup of the day. Don't look at nobody else's plate. Don't look at nobody else's plate, because theirs might be full. You might have to starve for a couple days to understand the deeper message. That coffee with some cinnamon, I did some right there, bro. Essentials, bro, essentials. Good morning, everybody. As y'all seen by the title, it was a big L today. It was $1,000, but I mean, it's part of the game. Like I tell you guys, who would I be if I hide these things from you? You know, I'm trying to show you guys that I'm bringing y'all through my journey, bro. I'm not gonna give up. It's just a matter of decisions. Like I tell you guys, I can decide to quit, right? Or I can decide to get better, to put more time into the chart, to work on my mental, bro. The only thing that fucked me over today was my emotions. I'm letting distractions into my life, right? I know I shouldn't be letting no distractions into my life, into my personal life. I shouldn't be opening no doors for no distractions, right? And the emotions those distractions bring, I pretty much brought them with me to the market. I'm gonna show you my entries. I'm gonna show you my trade recap for the day. I want to be as transparent as I can with you guys. And everybody in the team ate. Jay ate, bro. He went crazy. He had some good calls, but I just missed out on a lot of stuff, bro. Like I tell you guys, like my emotions played a huge role today in my losses. And I knew, and this is one thing that I like to do a lot, is tell you guys how I feel, because maybe you felt like this, you know? Maybe your trading journey can change if you change this thing as well. You maybe are facing the same problem, right? But after a couple big L's, like I felt like I needed to get that money back. Like I just let my emotions take over, bro. And like I said, like since I opened the door to distractions, emotions were involved, and those emotions just pretty much rolled over to my trading, you know? And yeah, I could blame it on me being at work and not having the setup that I usually have, not being able to see the whole breakdown of the market and everything, right? Like with my laptop, I can see pretty much everything. And when I'm trading at work, I'm just pretty much on my phone and going based off my chart on my phone, you know? I could point it to that, but at the same time, like I knew what Prep was gonna do, but I was just not in the right mental state. I was not focused. I was not sharp. And like I tell you guys, these big L's hurt. Trust me, losing over $500, over $1,000 hurts, right? But how do you expect to make more money if you're not comfortable losing this money, you know? Trust me, like, yes, me mentally, emotionally, I'm fucked. I'm fucked right now just because, like, these L's. But the day just started, bro. It's 8 in the morning. I got so much more to do. I got so many more things to do. Work on myself, work on my brand, work on my channel, work on my community, work on everything, right? And like I tell you guys, don't let a bad experience dictate the whole day, right? Don't let your emotions dictate the route your day is going to take, because you get better. You come on top, because you get better if you push past this, bro. Trust me, if I just let my emotions take me down a dark path, I'm gonna just seek comfort, seek distractions, not get better, not work on my craft, not put myself 10 steps further for tomorrow, you know? Like I told you guys yesterday, I am not looking to take no more trades unless the setup is perfect or I feel like I'm in the right mindset. But tonight I don't. Maybe with my back testing, maybe with me going over everything with you guys, maybe that gives me that extra boost of confidence. But like I said, I got so many things going good for me, bro. We reached 210 subscribers today. I can't thank you guys enough. Once again, like, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And I know my channel is growing because I'm staying consistent, right? Consistency is the key to everything. I can give up in trading, chase something else, but I'm already here, bro. I already invested time in it. I just gotta be consistent. It's part of the game. Understand that shit. You're gonna have L's. You're gonna blow accounts. It's my second funded account, bro. If I blow it, cool. I'm just a beginner. I just started this shit 5 months ago. That's one thing that I really want you guys to understand as well. It's like, I'm just a beginner, bro. Like, I'm being transparent with you guys because this is how I am going to grow. I want to grow the community. Maybe there's more experienced people out there that are watching me, or there's other beginners, you know, like we can grow this shit together. Like, it's not like I'm going to be a master trading in 5-6 months, bro. Fuck no. Like, it's going to take some time, and I need these losses because why? I journal my trades. I go over what I felt. And today was just a bad day, bro. Today was just me not being focused, me not being sharp, me not being locked in, bro. That was pretty much it. I was just consumed by the world, consumed by these distractions. And yeah, bro, like everybody in the team ate but me. Why? Because I was just so distracted, bro. I was not even thinking straight. I was just on some other bullshit, bro. Like, trust me, it was my mental, my emotions. But guess what? Keeping accountability, owning up to your fuck ups is going to get you the result that you want. Tomorrow's a new day. We're going to go over the trade recap right now. Once again, I'm back at Walmart. I need some shit. But yeah, man, I mean, a L is a L. Guess what? Tomorrow's a new day, new opportunity. I was talking to one of my boys too, like, he's been losing as well, and it's like, bro, it's part of the game. Sometimes we have amazing days over $1,000 wins. The wins are greater than the losses. I had three days where I've won $1,000, and I had 2 days where I lost $1,000. So as long as the wins stack up more than the L's, everything is going to be fine. It's just a matter of attacking it day by day, bro. It's not something you're gonna rush. Like, I was rushing everything. I think I took more than 6 trades. I fucked myself over, but hey, we live and learn, right? But let me get off, get this shit real quick, and then go home and break down the trade for you guys. So we back. Pretty much I was going over my notes, what I had written down last night for today's video, right? The topics were about how I'm just a beginner, but I'm very good at adjusting to new things, right? Like, I am amazing at overcoming adversity. I am very good at adapting to new tasks. I am very good to learning new skills and implementing what I learned, right? I catch on to things very quickly, right? But the thing is, like, I just know the basic stuff for trading, bro. Like, I pretty much just know the basic concepts. Like I told you guys, I just started not so long ago, right? My first introduction to trading was ICT, pretty much just fair value gaps, high time frames, and yeah, bro, just pretty much that was my main introduction to trading. But as I've grown as a trader, and as I've grown as a person, and as I have met other people and just building more relationships, I learned more about it, I learned more about trading. I learned more about that each pair has its own identity. Like, NASDAQ loves to bounce off specific key levels. I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. I don't know if I don't know if I made sense yesterday, but I have a perfect example for today. But that's one thing, like, NAS likes to do that a lot. US 30 likes to fill in those gaps and then make a move, make a push off of that. And those are the main 2 pairs that I really started trading with. And I just know the basics, guys. Like, you guys might think just because I had good trades, I'm a experienced trader. No, bro, I just know the basics, but I stick to my fundamentals that got me here, you know? Like, I traded on demo for a long time. I was making good profits on demo. I wish I still had my MetaTrader to show you guys. I think I have screenshots. I'll put that up. But on demo, I was going crazy, right? And I traded on demo for, like, I want to say a good 3-4 months. Then I want to say, yeah, October, November was the first month that I started tackling these funded accounts, right? And yeah, man, I just know the basics. Like, as I come out here and show you guys my life, I am just documenting my journey and my growth in trading. Like I tell you guys, at the end of the day, when I'm editing my videos, I'm taking notes about myself. I'm taking notes about how I am as an individual. I'm comparing myself each day and just taking out the bad habits. Trust me, we are human. We're going to repeat habits, but it's just a matter of bouncing back and not going into those habits repeatedly. When I had no purpose, when I was lost, when I had anxiety, I would tend to repeat the same habits, do the same exact things every fucking day. And something in me told me that I had to change. Something in me told me I had to be different. Something in me knew I was destined for greatness, right? And I feel like most of you guys feel this type of way too, but you just don't want to get out that routine because it's comfortable, because you're not scared, because you're okay, you're good. You already know what to expect. You already know what's going to happen. You're looking forward to that. You got to get the fuck out of that routine, bro. Like I said yesterday, fear is the Fear is the door to change. You gotta be scared in order for things to change. You gotta be willing to do the things that are scary, because once you take that leap, there's no turning back. You become a new individual. You become a new person. You open a new door that takes you higher and higher every fucking time, bro. Trust me. Don't fall back into that cycle. Don't do the things that are holding you back. Even though you know it's hard. Trust me, it was hard for me to fucking break through that person that I was. But now I'm becoming a better individual. I'm keeping myself accountable. Maybe I keep myself accountable with the videos, yeah. But I also have my own personal journal. I also have my own personal notes about myself that keep me accountable. Keep me accountable, bro. Trust me. The Lord keeps me accountable every day. I pray to God every single day to make me a better man, to remove all the things that are distracting me, to remove all my bad habits away. And slowly but surely, my prayers are being answered. My faith is so big, man. I trust the Lord with everything. I know that this is just a learning experience. Understand that a L stands for learning experience, bro. Trust me. Those L's are just molding you into a better person. If you let a losing streak deteriorate you, bro, just as I went on that crazy win streak to making $3,000 in 3 days, I can go in a bad L streak for a whole week, a whole 2 weeks. You never know, bro. I can blow this account. But just as you have bad days, you have good days. What if next week is an amazing week, crazy week? You never know, bro. Like I be telling you guys, trading is a game of probabilities. It's not a gamble, bro. Trust me, it's not a fucking gamble. Because I know how I fucked up, bro. As soon as y'all see the charts, as soon as y'all see what I'm talking about, y'all are going to be like, how the fuck did you mess this shit up if it was clear as day? Like, yes, trust me, I had everything set up, I had everything marked down, but my emotions got in the way. I'm telling you guys, it's a huge part of this game is controlling your mental. Once I had that big L, once I had my first initial L, I was on a revenge tour, bro. And then everybody in the Discord call was making plays. They were getting earnings and shit. And I was just feeling discouraged, bro. That's one thing that I gotta tell you guys. Don't look at nobody else's plate. Don't look at nobody else's plate, because theirs might be full, but there's a reason to it. You might have to starve for a couple days to understand the deeper message, bro. Trust me, it's not always a don't let your mind get in the way. Trust me, the one thing that I'll be talking about is confidence and confidence and confidence, bro. And you just gotta build it, bro. But at the same time, it's like, I needed this, bro. I'm a man of my word. I gotta show up. I'm still gonna show you guys my L's. I'm still gonna show you guys my wins. Why? Because transparency has gotten me a long way. Like, if I don't lie to myself, why would I lie to you guys? Then if I start lying to you guys, I go back to that old version of me who was a person of no accountability, a person you couldn't trust. And this is keeping me accountable. This is molding me into a better version of myself. And at the end of the day, I feel good within me because I'm not holding nothing back for no one. I'm being myself. And it takes you a long way, bro. Trust me. Being true to yourself is going to take you way ahead of anything than portraying an image that you're not. Because at the end of the day, your subconscious is always listening, bro. Like, if I would have came here and lied to you guys and made up a bullshit ass story, in my mind, I know I fucked up. And then the next time I fuck up or something, things wouldn't align and I just wouldn't be this great man that I am, you know? I would just backtrack into that old version of myself. Gotta take accountability, man. Just be a greater version. Right now, I'm about to make some breakfast and going back into that, letting my emotions and distractions take over. I haven't been sticking to making my breakfast. I haven't been sticking to my routine at moments. I am doing my push-ups and my workouts, but I just be deviating from them too, bro. I be getting complacent and comfortable. But at the same time, once I go into my new apartment, I'm going to lock the fuck in. No more excuses. I'm recording all of my workouts. I'm recording every single fucking thing. Why? Because I'm keeping myself accountable. At the moment, yes, I have limitations. But once we're in that new apartment, bro, trust me. But things are going to change. Just hold on. But yeah, man, let's get to it. Let's get to work. So right now we're here looking at NASDAQ. What I want you guys to understand is just think about this as a stock. Don't get lost trying to figure out what the fuck is this. Just think about it as a stock, right? Like Apple, whatever. I just chose NAS. This is the pair that I'm trading. There's many pairs, you know, gold, whatever. Just so you don't get lost. And like when I was a beginner, that's one of my biggest struggles, was like understanding the pairs and what were they, whatever. Don't care about that. Just don't focus on that right now. Just know that I'm trading Nasdaq, right? Cool. 7:15. I saw that price was tapping into this level. This blue line that is tapped in right here is 21,440, I want to say. So see right here, this is what I mean about understanding your pair, understanding what you're trading, right? As y'all can see right here, bro, Nas likes to tap into this level, and pretty much this level is a zone where price tried to push, then came back and tested it, and then just broke back down. Nas likes to test those levels, right? I'm on the lower time frame. We go to the 15-minute. Same thing. Damn, it's moving right now. So price pretty much pushed past this level, right? And I was waiting for that perfect entry at 21,440. I got a little bit anticipated because it had a reversal back to the upside. And since we're in all-time highs, I was just pretty much skeptical about my trade. Then price came in here. Once price came into this low, I got in around, I want to say like at the bottom of this candle, because I had all this cushion, and I was pretty much aiming for this level, because you can see price tapped into it a lot of times. Price broke from this level, came back, retested, and just had a push, you know. So I wanted to see price come in, retest this, and push to the upside, you know. We're all-time highs, and price is just going to keep pushing at the bottom of this candle right here, just because I wanted a little bit more cushion, you know, like more protection of like not getting wicked out or just getting stopped out. But as y'all can see right here is another key level that price had came in, tested, and just, you know, this one thing that I'm telling you guys that I'm learning about Nasdaq is that it loves to come into certain levels, test those levels, and just bounce off that level. Pretty much got wicked out, lost a shit ton of money, bro, because I took hella trades. I took small partial trades, but still it just added up. I was not in my best. And as y'all can see, I thought price was gonna come in here, retest this level, which it came up, pushed, but then it had a little bit more of a seller strength, as y'all can see. Again, price came in, pushed past this level, retraced a little bit, got in again at this same exact level, had some profit, liquidated, bro, just got killed out. And yeah, man, that's pretty much why I lost all that money. But like I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna show you. Boy, oh boy. As y'all can see, 12 trades is crazy, bro. These are all short positions. Short means selling, so y'all can see I took too many. I had some profit, don't get me wrong, right? Then I took a long here, I don't know why, but y'all can see all that. Just kept on. I was good, bro. I was first 3 trades, I was down 500. Just gained a little bit more profit, lost it all. I was back at 500. I could have just been done there, you know, like accepted my defeat, got in again, and just ended up getting worse. And yeah, man, it's just a matter of, you see, like the days that let me show y'all this real quick, right? The days that I lose, keep in mind, look at the number of trades I take, right? Okay. How the fuck? Oh, here you go. I'm dumb as fuck. So now here is, y'all can see 1 trade, 2 trades, 4 trades, 1 trade. I mean, this just pretty much, I had a good week, and my profit for the week, so I just took 1 trade. Here I took 4 trades, but these were like partials, you know, like partial wins, because this is when I first started trading Nasdaq. As y'all can see up here, I was trading, this one is US 30, so I was trading US 30 on this one. I was trading US 30 here as well. Y'all can see the wins. But yeah, this was my first time testing out Nas, and I took some partials because I was just testing the water, seeing how it moved. And yeah, man, like you can see right here, 2 trades, good profits on Nas. And then the days that I lose is when I take multiple trades. Here I was bouncing back from Nasdaq to US 30, just all over the place here, just trying to gain my money, letting emotions take over myself. But yeah, man, just
Stick to what you know. Stick to one. I want to say stick to one pair or two pairs. Here's the micros. I don't know why I told you guys. I told you guys yesterday. I don't know why I traded this shit. But yeah, bro, just stick to one pair. Stick to what you know, and eventually these red days are going to happen, bro. But just it's just a matter of keeping a balance within everything. Like just keeping a balance. Right now, my L's are higher than my wins, so I'm gonna just step away from the charts for a minute. I can't go below 50,000, so yeah.
I've been thinking a lot about this loss, right? This loss is just pretty much killing my mind just because I knew that I had control over everything. I made it worse, After reviewing the trade with you guys, after going over everything with you guys, I got stuck in this cycle of just thinking and thinking, right? It's the things that I'm doing in my daily life that are leading me back into my old habits. I'm waiting for the perfect time. Why am I fucking waiting till I get settled in my apartment? I'm becoming complacent and becoming comfortable to set date to go harder. Why am I doing that shit, bro? Like I said on previous videos, I've had a lot of issues lately with family and everything, right? You gotta build yourself into that man, into that person that your family reaches out to. Think about this shit, right? I talk a lot about perspective, right? If I am drowning in my own problems, if I am drowning in my own thoughts and everything, you don't think other people are doing the same thing? You don't think other people are going through a lot of shit as well? If you want to be this great successful man that saves everybody else, build your fucking self, work towards that shit. I was talking with my boy Greg about how men have to manage all these things and there's no time for them. No, bro, there's no time for you. You got to build yourself. Why? Because other people depend on you. And if you don't do it, who else is going to do it? Are you going to wait around? You got to get your ass up and do that shit for the people that you love and for yourself. At the end of the day, yes, I'm making sacrifices in order for my life to be different in a couple years. I'm sacrificing all these things for the greater fucking reward. Think about it like that, bro. There's some men that don't wake up at all. I was very blessed that I woke up when I was 18. I saw the world differently. I saw the world from a different perspective at a young age. And my peers didn't do that, bro. Some of my peers are still stuck in that cycle of partying, impressing other people, doing all this bullshit, right? While still living with their parents, paycheck to paycheck, buying unnecessary shit that is not going to bring them value or change their life in the next upcoming years. They didn't grow up. And I do these videos, I do these things to show people that there's an outlet, to show people that there's something out there. Why? Because I'm trying to inspire somebody, bro. I'm trying to have a purpose in life because I know I'm destined for greatness. And I'm not doing this, pretty much in all honesty, yes, I do this for you guys. I do this for my purpose, right? But I'm showing up for myself. These videos keep me accountable. These videos keep me on track, on my path. They show me that I am not performing at my best. When I go over every video that I upload, I know in my mind that I am not giving him at all at certain moments. I know that I can give it more. I know that I can push past this shit more because at the end of the day, I'm showing up for you guys, but I'm also showing up for myself. You can go back to my first couple videos, bro. Like, I was doing it for myself and I've always been doing it for myself. I'm keeping myself accountable because I was in a dark ass place. Trust me, I was overweight, sad, no direction in life, just being a victim of comfort, being overweight, wasting countless amount of time scrolling on fucking TikTok, Instagram, watching food review videos, bro. That's all my fucking old YouTube is full of. Just stupid ass shit, bro. I was feeding myself that. I was not fueling my life for no good purpose. I was just being complacent, smoking weed, doing all this stupid shit. Now I have a purpose. Now I have a voice. Now I have a community. Now I have people that I have to show up for besides myself. I do this every time. Don't get me wrong. Don't forget why you started. I'm not forgetting why I started. I have to reach this freedom for my family. I got to reach this freedom for my son. I got to save my parents. I got to save my family. I got to do all these things, right? I found my purpose. I got to keep fucking pushing. There's no looking back, bro. And there's no going back because I was at the worst level in my life. Yes, this loss today had me very emotional. because I had made so much fucking progress. But this is what makes or breaks you. And it's not even about trading, bro. Everything pretty much falls into one another, right? If my trading is not doing good, if my personal life is not good, my trading is not going to do good. You know, me transforming into a better individual, me getting in shape, me getting into a better mental space makes me a better trader, makes me a better person, makes me a great individual that can elevate others, that can elevate himself. Trust me. It's not just about trading, bro. It's a fucking lifestyle, bro. If I'm over here not controlling my emotions, if I self-inflict that fear, if I feel that fear because I let my emotions take over, I feel something that's not real, bro. Fear is not real unless you give it that life. Fear is not real unless you give it life. This loss really had me thinking, and it really has me in a bad headspace just because I became soft, bro. The past couple days I became soft. I came back to the comfort that I was running away from. That I keep running away from this comfort. And I came back to it just because I was scared to be alone. I was scared to open new doors. I'm not going to do that, bro. I'm going to take control of everything again. Today is the day that I get back on track and give it my all. I caught myself gaining more weight. I caught myself not being disciplined with my eating habits, bro. I caught myself doing all those things, bro. I caught myself going back into that old version of me. But guess what? I'm keeping myself accountable, and you guys should do it too. If you guys struggle with keeping yourself accountable, I have a Discord down below where you guys can share your experiences. We can create that community. I already have everything set up, mental space, everything, bro. Trust me. I'm trying to build something great because I don't want people to be stuck in the same place that I was. Trust me, it's hard, bro. I felt lonely. I felt useless. I felt used. I felt like nothing, bro. I felt worthless, bro. And only because I started to take action, I changed my mindset and I changed my life for good. You guys see everything that I'm doing every day, and to you guys it might seem extraordinary, right? But I'm not even giving it my all, bro. I know I can give it more. And sometimes, like I tell you guys, these L's are lessons learned. Trust me, these L's are lessons. You need these L's, bro. You need these fucking L's, because if you're always handed the wins, how are you going to grow in life? How are you going to become a better individual if you're never faced with adversity? If you guys are never faced with adversity, how are you going to fucking grow? I'm very emotional and fired up right now because I just got back on track, bro. I just got back on track, and because I stopped deviating from my goal. I stopped deviating from my vision because I was getting complacent and comfortable. Yes, I got my MacBook. I got all these nice things. I was having nice wins. I felt like I was on top of the world. And I got comfortable. But now we got to lock the fuck back in, pass this combine, get another combine, pass the other combine, lock the fuck in, and accomplish our goals for December. Like I tell you guys, you need these setbacks to keep elevating. It's just like trading, bro. You need a pullback in order for the market to make a move, right? Besides that, boys, I love you guys. Keep showing up. I'm going to keep showing up for you guys. I'm going to bring you guys more extraordinary content. And yeah, man, I might take you guys with me on tonight's run. I might drop some knowledge as well. But right now, I'm about to edit this video, eat some lunch, spend the rest of the day with my boy, and just lock the fuck in, man. See y'all boys later. And like I always tell you guys, keep watering your own garden. And if this is not the goodbye, and if this is not the end of the video, just stay tuned. I don't know yet. Don't mark my words, but might be the end of the video. Might take you guys through my run. But honestly, I just want to lock the fuck in and complete my run, do my workout, and just keep working and working. I'm in the works for my trading community. I'm in the works for that course. I am getting more of my friends and partners with me to set that up and to work through that, bro. I want to go live with you guys. I want to teach you guys the basics. I want to go over everything, bro. I just really want to bring you guys more. I really want to show you guys that side of me, you know? But besides that, boys, I see y'all later. Love y'all. And stay busy, man.